Wait till she puts the other sheet on her and she starts kicking, I hope, like she did before.
This is what we do for fun in this house. Yes, it does. It does. Phaedra urinates on the bed sheet, and then we put them on top of her. Yes. Oh no. Oh no! Oh! Did you run out of sheet? Do you want to be out from under the sheets? You probably can't hear her, but she's purring like crazy. Yes. Yes.